Hello guys, now we will implement set in our Python IDE. We have taken a variable named fruits, which is actually the name of our set, and this set is denoted by the curly brackets, and in this curly bracket we have given some elements like apple, mango and guava, and then we have printed this set fruits, and here you can see the output. All the elements in the output are unique. This is the set. As further, now we will implement and add one element mango in this set and then print this set, and we can see the output. As we can see again the same output as previous. All the elements in the sets are unique as mango is printed once in the output. This is set.